Alright, let's get straight to the point about Sinclair Sisters Calgary. If you've been eyeing their site after seeing those polished ads pop up on Facebook or Instagram, stop right there. It's 2026, and I've got the latest scoop. Sinclair Sisters Calgary is raising all the red flags. First off, they claim to be a cozy local Canadian boutique. Calgary, Toronto, you name it. But here's the truth. There's no actual store, no brick and mortar, no real address. Just a sleek website designed to look legit. Now, let's talk products. Tons of recent reviews say what actually shows up at your door looks nothing like the fancy photos. Instead of the high-end linen, cotton, or leather you thought you ordered, people are getting cheap polyester or vinyl knockoffs. Imagine paying a premium and getting bargain bin quality. Ouch. Shipping? Not even close to Canadian. Everything ships from China, and that means super long waits. And if you think about returning something, it's a nightmare. Customers are being told to ship things back to China, often at a cost of $70 or more, sometimes more than the item itself. And here's another bombshell: legitimate designers, like Sinclair London, have called them out for stealing trademarks and using fake photos. So, those designer pieces, total fakes. So what should you do if you've already been caught up in this? Step 1. Contact your bank or credit card right away. Ask for a chargeback, especially if your order wasn't as described or never arrived. Step 2. Don't bother returning anything to China. You'll just lose more money. Finally, before you buy from any boutique, check for a real physical address and a working phone number. If you can't find those, it's probably a scam. Stay sharp, shop smart, and don't fall for the Sinclair Sisters Calgary trap.